the hand-forged camp/survival knife from HX Outdoors. Got this on a sale, so I got this thing dirt cheap, and I plan to abuse it pretty harshly in the coming days and weeks. So we're going to slice a little shoe here, and just to be perfectly clear, I do not for 1 second think that this is a hand-forged knife. A little hoagie slice for the boot tip there. Just unzip this thing right down the center.